What's up everyone? Do you struggle with lackluster, dull hair that feels dry or damaged no matter what you do? I've got a super simple home remedy that can help: keratin treatments you can make right in your kitchen. Keratin is the protein that makes up your hair and helps keep each strand strong and resilient. But overstyling and environmental damage can deplete those keratin levels, leading to weak, brittle hair that breaks more easily. Thankfully, there are some common household ingredients that contain keratin that can replenish your hair strands. In this video, I'll explain what keratin is, why it's so important for your hair health, and how you can boost those levels using a homemade mask. I'll go over the best ingredients to use as well as how to mix up your own treatment. Then I'll demo how to apply it and rinse it out properly. The great thing about DIY keratin treatments is they are budget friendly. No need to splurge at a fancy salon. And since it's your own kitchen mix, you know exactly what's going on your hair. Banana hair mask: mash up a ripe banana and combine it with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 egg yolk. Mix well until smooth. Apply all over damp hair. Put your hair in a shower cap and let sit for 30 minutes before rinsing out. The nutrients in bananas replenish moisture and add strength. Avocado treatment: combine the flesh of 1 avocado with 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Mix into a paste and work through clean, wet hair. Cover with a shower cap and allow to sit for 20 to 30 minutes before washing out. The healthy fats in avocado penetrate to strengthen and soften hair. Rice water: rinse, boil 1 cup of rice in 4 cups of water for 15 minutes. Allow to cool fully, then strain out the rice. Use the starchy liquid as a final rinse for your hair. It contains amino acids that help build keratin to fortify strands.